could dream of ways to see you. I could close my eyes to dream. I could fantasize about you, tell the world what I believe. But whenever I'm not with you, it's so hard for me to see. I need to see a picture of you, a special picture just for me, yeah. So take a dirty picture for me, take a dirty picture, just take a